My name is Hana Getachew, founder of Bolé Road Textiles, designed in Brooklyn and hand-woven in Ethiopia. I am drawn to textiles because my experience in interior design. It's always been the kind of dessert of the interior design process. I think my design aesthetic as an interior designer was always influenced by my rich heritage and all the textiles I grew up with. The colorful patterns, the shiny embroidery, it was something that influenced my aesthetic as an interior designer. I wanted to do something that brought me closer to Ethiopia, which is where I was born. And I wanted to contribute what I could, and the fact that you can create a business that's essential to who you are, that honors people and place. And I feel like that's the reason why I started my business. As my business grows, these artisans will grow. It means so much to me, and it really is a key part of why I do this. And I get to work closely with people I really care about. Over the years, I've developed such a great friendship with my artisan partners that we're almost like family now. It's a big part of why I do what I do. It's bringing me closer to Ethiopia in a very tangible sense. I am so happy to be creating products that are made with love. I'll start with an inspiration or a concept, usually something that has to do with Ethiopian culture or heritage, and from there I'll start grabbing inspirational images, sourcing traditional textiles. I'll create my work first with sketching, and then I'll move to the computer. When I'm not being creative and at my desk, I like to just stay active, just be outdoors. I like to take long walks. I love doing yoga. It's a great way to meditate and get your mind off all the chatter in your mind. Just have some quiet time to really let the ideas percolate, get my thoughts together. What excites me about my future is all the opportunities to grow, and I love the idea that I'll be growing with my artisan partners. Our paths are connected in that way. I feel like I wouldn't have been able to start my business the way I did if I didn't have 10 years of experience as an interior designer. I couldn't have started this business when I was in my 20s. It's something that happened at the right time in my life. Now that I'm pursuing that dream and following this instinct that I had, it's incredibly rewarding to see that it's happening and that I'm doing it, and I often use the phrase dream life. So that's what I'm living right now. I'm living my dream life. So I would say to a woman that's considering starting her own business to go for it. I think having a little bit of experience and age on your side is nothing but an asset. I think when you align your passion with your career, only good things can happen from that, and that has been my experience. So I would encourage any woman to follow her passion and her dreams.